In LHCb, we have the unique ability to be able to inject helium gas and collide it with the protons of the LHC. From this, we can produce antiprotons. That's interesting because antiprotons can be a signature of dark matter. This process of protons colliding with helium is exactly a process that happens in space. And in space-based experiments, they look at this antiproton rate that they're seeing, and what they want to know is what is the baseline at which you expect antiproton production from normal physics processes. Our new LHCb result gives them that baseline, and then you can see whether there is signs of antiproton production from dark matter in addition to that.